What's up, guys? Welcome back to C&T Automotive LLC. My name is Chris. Today we're going to be working on a 2005 Mercedes-Benz CLS 500. We're going to be replacing the EGR valve. Now, in order to get to the EGR valve, you've got the big breather box here. So what we're going to do, we're going to get that off and the first cover off. So you've got one cover that kind of sits like so on the front of the engine up here. So you just pop that up. That'll come right off. Once you pop that up, what you want to do, you want to go ahead, and there will be two little clips around these here, which are right here on the bottom. Now this thing sets up like this. It sets up there like so. And what you want to do, you want to pop these up. So pop it up from there, and then go to the back, wiggle it up, grab it from right here, wiggle it up, and it'll pop right up. Once you do that, you can kind of just set it off to the side. Let's see, we'll get it off to the side there. Now the EGR valve is located right on the back left corner of the engine. It's going to be right here, pretty much right in your face. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to get the inverter, like the star ratchets. This one is, it's going to be E8 is the size, CRV E8 is the exact size of it. Well, brand and size I'm using. So what you're going to do, you want to undo the dipstick right here, which is the one here. You want to undo this one, and once you undo this one, there's going to be another one right below here. You want to undo that one as well. And then once you undo that one, you can get this bracket out of your way. The EGR valve is right here, directly underneath this bracket. By moving this bracket, it'll give you enough room to get up here to the EGR bolt here. I went on ahead and sprayed it down. That way it can go ahead and have some time to get that rust to kind of get off of it. I know some of them can be a pain in the butt trying to get off. I want to spray it a little more so it got time to sit there and rest. Kind of break through it a little bit while we're talking. Once you get this off though, you get this bolt. Once you get these bolts off to get the dipstick bracket out of there, you want to go ahead and take off the EGR pipe, this bolt here. What I'm going to use, I'll show you what I'm going to use. I'm going to use either a pipe wrench like so. That way it'll avoid me spinning it and rounding it off, or I'm going to use one of the crescents like this, and that will avoid me from rounding it off and stripping it out. And once you do that, kind of down inside there where you see that bolt there at, that one there is actually the other star. And once you get that off there, might have something on the camera, let me wipe this off, looks a little blurry. So once you get that star out right there, then there's another one over on this side. You get that one out, you get that clip off, and then there's a few vacuum hoses. You want to pull those off, of course. And once you do that, you should be able to just wiggle it right on out. And what you want to do to put it back together, just follow the same steps.